Hello everyone, my name is Terengineer, and now my Discord server is being updated. So yesterday and so new how to for the step by step for the my Discord server. So let's check it out. Okay, so then server is being updated. So then for my Discord server and the rules has been changed for the it is something. If you join for my Discord server, so then this is server's rules. Okay, this server has Kafita port for the Wi-Fi, but here's a Wi-Fi. The port is a Kafita port. So then make sure it's a Wi-Fi port for the correct for the icon logo, and you have to Wi-Fi complete into the Wi-Fi lessons channel. So then I just take for the message said don't worry about the being Wi-Fi bot. I was check you can press Wi-Fi button or Y button. So then, but to get access to my Discord server, you need to prove you are the human by completing a Kavita. Click the button below to get started. You can click Wi-Fi or click Y. First, click white. So then, this server is protected by this website, private address, blah 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 blah, and you can check out and click this and click this for the secure servers. Create for the about this. Oh, never mind. It's a invite. So create this. Click on get it start. And you can create for punishing scams. If you're not sure if the begin scam, you can create for our support server. In the Kavita officially Discord server, punishing scam is following is a button. Then top button, QR codes, thumbnails, covers FTS, username, nickname scams. The cover toy dozens has used for this. So then just checking for the bot, make sure it's been verified. Alright, so then you can show the phone you can use. I just create for the Wi-Fi. I have already Wi-Fi, so then I'll just skip this. If not, this just create a Wi-Fi and create a website. Just make sure for the login in your Discord account. Wi-Fi successfully, and now you can unlock for the next channel. Just remember for this. Go to the countries those where you from, and I just fix for the. And for something I remove for the channel's emojis. This is no normal app. So the channel server is just too crazy for the I'm just in the news and updates. Too excessive. So then I just remove for the channel's emojis roles and the emojis roles in there's only Hong Kong and Taiwan. Countries 1, countries 2 is still here. I just add for the Ukraine. The country endings, if you want to get the countries, you must account create has 1 year. You can change in logs channels. You should never got the back loose in these servers. 6 months expired, you can request 6 months after. Just remember. If you got the back loose, you can request it with get endings load. But you can check the logs or in the comments there. Make sure you do have for the got the black loose. You must 18 years old. Some channels has for the NSFW channels. Just request military or do seriously. If the request material is incomplete, you can get endings rules. And 1 week after the request again, just the request ending next, so they understand for the next time. Your username is a Discord. How are you for your years? If the account creation is 1 year, you can check for logs. Just upload account creation logs. And just make sure for the if the account is accept, just read the ending rules. Get for ending rules after. Don't forget read for ending rules. Do not add the bad guys in the back rules guys. Do not back number 5 in the server's rules. Don't dare you other versions unban the bad guys. And the back of the dice and he tell you delete all your servers. Don't confuse people of your voice will ban tell me to listen. Episode span of the spam purpose is on the number 3. Please don't send my friends, yes guys, Neo Geo or Neo Geo servers because the something is bad. It can be you got the backwards for endings. If no one do not told me, don't send others channels founding is only minigames for calling. I will sell for the minigames, do not set for our channels. This talks officially updates, please read it. If you or someone got the back news, except send the message to the wrong channel. Remember, except send the message to the wrong channel. Company for the wrong and terminating the comments. The other just only first 1 second. Terminate the collect for the ending load. Please remember, if you not know the comments here, please go to this. Please read this and typing in this. Alright, so then yesterday I was doing it for the Keep Jordan. This is either doing it for the verify for the comfortable in motivations within deadline. Keep on my servers to do the Wi-Fi. Okay, so then compare some message if we got moved, so click here. If we got banned, I can send you for the power message for the link. Download has for the appeal for the button. If you send it into for the appeal summit, I can so endings in me and can see this. If the appeal is active, so we got for the unbanned. If it's just denied, sorry, we can join it. So the appeal summit again. Submit successfully is seconds we can get it back for the appeals. Just remember. And go back to the server rules. Server rules is Wi-Fi and do not take other persons. Do not spam. Do not speak other language. I have set up for the other language category. Do not hack this server. Do not send the message to none. Unless everybody without if you got do it, you got black rules. The message for compatible channel. This send message is in compatible channels only one. Not kid, band, and mood. So me and give endings except if we need to pass endings for these ports and write it down in the message. Okay, Wi-Fi low after you can solve it. If you're not done that for the add done it rules, me and endings, so it got a one for the back rule. Just remember. If you saw someone back rules, please go to the board Wi-Fi after you can solve it. New YGB has report system. I just tested the report here. You can deploy yourself. This is like for the message. You can deploy yourself. Silly. And the video and stream and the video stream door is not changed. If you want information video in stream, click for the list mode. Just click here. Video in the stream. If you like the live stream, and I go to the for the list slide for something for the list sound. The chat is not available for the voice chat. If you the mic is broken or didn't have the mic, just like for the join for the something. Don't forget is Job 2 SCP Secret Laboratory and others. Among us is most games, Epic Legends. I just play with Epic Legends Mobile, Call of Duty Mobile, Battle Royale, Genshin Impact, Honkai Impact. Okay, all those is not being changed. Alright, formats for the discussions just for the future is coming up. On the language and if you have it for your own country for the other language. If there are any problems, if you can't find your language, just probably send to me, thank you. And again, mini games nothing changed. But it's nothing about comments, I just do it for this board for the bomb. First that comments just set up for the members. Then can chat. If you don't know how many levels you like to chat, just please check out for the ranks. For comments here you can just read it and some is some bots is being offline, but it's verified. The performance can play into the Mario games. So the busted members and the more I just sell for the help for the company music and more wishes comments into this here, so you can check it out. When they edit for something, so you can see the thumb. Here we go. That's much better. And here's logs, just can be checked out. The logs is for the chance. I don't know what the heck is going on. I'm too sure is KB is one comment message in the logs. YGBDB is for the submissions. Music 2, downloads 2, and there's nothing. So yep, this is my Discord server. Okay, so then let's show you for the how to set up and for my Discord server, and show you for the something for my Discord server and more with the music commands and the more bots commands and the Wi-Fi bots. Alright, so then that's one more thing, and all bots has been verified. So then don't worry about it, guys. I was checked. So you can join for my Discord server. And then don't worry about for the Discord scan for anymore. So then that's it for the step-by-step Discord server for the how to join more for my Discord server. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you join guys in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, thumbs up, in the comments down below. But as always, I will see you in the next videos. Bye bye.